the right side of the roundabout has been completed. Both the side, if the vehicle will enter, he will enter from this side, and if the vehicle will go outside, exit from this roundabout, it will go right to this one. So this side now we must complete it, but the center line must be connected this one, because we will make profile for this main road, so this should be connected. I will draw a line, a 4D line actually, here from this point to this point, and I will match this point, this line with this line, so it will exactly clear to watch. Now for this side, the same process I will repeat. The outer radius is 50.17, so again I will create a circle for this. I will select this one and the outer, and I will enter the radius 50.17, and now as you can see, it connected both the radius. The ground is creating problem from black, I can change the color from here with there is option maybe in the display. Here I will change the color to white, the background, so it will be easy for you to see but I am using the yellow color, which sometimes which will create problem. So I will undo this change, because I am also using the yellow color. So yellow color mostly visible inside the white line. So let's start with this one. I will again trim the circle from this side. So now you can see the smooth radius connecting here. Then the next yellow line will connect the yellow line, which is you can create offset, or you can create if you want to create offset, just select the offset length and take offset from here, and then match the property. This is yellow line, so select the yellow line. Now the yellow line is connected with the yellow line, and the blue edge of asphalt is connected with the blue line. The next thing, this lane will connect to this lane. So I will check the radius, what radius I put here, this 50. So I will put here also the 50 radius. This line will connect to this line, so the radius is 50 and this will connect. I will match this to yellow line, because it's starting from yellow line, and here I will trim the other side. So I will select this circle with this circle, this line, and outer side I don't need, so I will trim from here exactly what I need. Now the lane, if the vehicle will come here, you can go outside this one. I will trim this from this area, because I need only up to that part, up to this area, because this one will the same process, this will be inside the medium. Again, if you want to take the offset, because I have another line which in the start we have discussed already, so I will take offset, and from here this area, now I will select this line, and I will trim the yellow line from this area. I don't need the blue line also from this area. Now as you can see, it's clear, the lane now clear, the transition from here If they will come here and they will go outside. I will exit from this area. Now the what from where which line you take offset, you must match that color. So at this area when you are trimming the line, you will know this which this is. Suppose this is the yellow line, white line, edge of asphalt, anything. You then you will not be confused inside your drawing. So with the time, at the time when you are working, you must trim that line. Now it's clear. So the same here, same process we use here. I will trim this line which is outside the lane. Okay, like this. Now this side almost finished, so the other side I will complete the same process. I will enter C, TTR, part tangent radius, and C tangent radius, and then uh, putting the value for the radius, and select the radius to the two tangent and trim the outside. Then the next thing, put again the circle, the same process. This line, sorry, this line with this line, and the radius is same, almost the same. So I will just match the line here. Okay, now with the time I will trim the line. This line I don't need. Again the yellow line, I don't need this yellow line. Okay, now I need a line which will connect this line to this line. So I will draw a tangent circle again. This line will matching this line, because this here, as you can see, there is a single lane. So the single lane I cannot connect to the double lane. It will connect to the single lane, because from the single lane it will go here, and from the single lane it will come here. So the single lane must be connected. The single lane, although the width of the circle, the lane of the lane width of the circle is 5 meter and 3.6, but no problem. When you are creating a tangent radius, automatically it connect both the tangent line which you select. So this the yellow line, the shoulder line, you can say the shoulder line or yellow line. Again I need it up to here, up to the yellow line. I think the asphalt edge we will delete, or we will trim. So I will extend this to up to the yellow line here, and okay, I will trim from here up to the yellow line. So from this area I will trim this one. Now I don't need this line, but I will take offset for this line, as we discussed already in our typical section in the previous videos. So now I don't need the line, these two lines which are inside the median. So I will trim this one and also this one, and from here I will trim this line. Now as you can see, both the sides we have a smooth transition. From this side, if they will go, or if they will take U-turn and come back again, the next video we will start a loop and a rim. But before it, this was the very you must make this before